Welcome to this video. In this video we will see how to install the Xampp server on macOS. First of all, let us go and download the Xampp server. Just go to Google and type Xampp server. From Apache website you can download it. So we can go directly to the 8.2.4. Okay, from there here you can download it. If it automatically downloads, otherwise you can click here. So now automatically your Xampp is downloaded here. So I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it. Let us go to the folder and install it. So I'll close this browser. Let us open the installer. This is the installer. When you type this installer, no, it will ask for privileges. So for what you will do, you go to system settings, and from here you go to the privacy and security. Go down all the way, just scroll and go down there. Open anyway, click on Xampp and open anyway. It will prompt you for the password. You just enter your password, admin password, and click on unlock. Again it will ask you to open and again it will prompt for the password. Again you enter the password and click on OK. Now your Xampp is ready. Close this settings and you can go back. Your Xampp is ready for installation. Allow it. Your Xampp installation begins in here. Just press the next. That's it. Is just installing, unpacking. It will take a while depending upon your machine, and once it has completed, so see it has completed the installation. So in meanwhile it will launch this application. Now Xampp is ready for installation. I mean it has completed. So advantage of Xampp is like it is inbuilt with your PHP Perl and also MySql server. So now we can start the servers. MySql server is started already. Apache is running. Your Xampp is running. So you can see the configuration details. It is configured on the port number 80 here. Okay, and coming to MySQL server, it was configured on port number 3306, right? Okay, so this is all over the configuration. This is how we can install this one. We'll minimize this and we will now we will open the eject these two particular DMG images. We will eject these two images. Those were created. Now we'll go back again. Now let us go and see where this folder was configured. You can go here to this manage servers. The servers are already running here. So let us go to the PHP for htdocs folder, applications. You scroll down and you can find a folder with Xampp name. Xampp, open it, and htdocs it is there, right? This is the place where you have to first store all your PHP files. So let us create a simple file. We'll go back to the Visual Studio, and then what we will do, we will open a particular file here, right? So in this folder actually we have to save all these particular documents. Now coming to Visual Studio, first of all we will configure the Visual Studio. To configure it, you go to the file, open folder, and then we will open the folder. So go to applications, Xampp htdocs. So just go here, open workspace, applications, Xampp and htdocs. So open the folder. So it will be configured. Just save the workspace and authorize it. So now we are ready to do your work here. So now we will create a simple demo file, demo.php we will be creating. So this is the demo.php was created, and we will create a boiler template for HTML. I'll remove all this metadata and all this, and then what we will do, we'll just create a simple PHP code. That is, we will create a simple PHP file, like syntax of PHP, following closing the syntax. Then we will go into the body of this and just write like echo welcome to PHP. Sorry, welcome to PHP, right? So our source code was completed here. Like we will save this one, go to file and save this. This is completed. So we'll go to the browser and we will be running the same source code. Here we can come localhost slash demo.php, we have to open slash demo.php, we should be opening. So right, so this is how your output is there, like welcome to PHP, right? So this is how to install the Xampp server on your Mac operating system. So how to download and how to install this, and also how to start your first PHP program in this particular Xampp server. Okay, hope this video was useful for you. So please consider to like and share this video so that it will be useful for some other people. Thanks for watching this video.